Hello everyone, so how have you been doing? I probably never thought I'd be making this video, but I didn't want to keep on doing makeup videos without talking a little bit about what's going on in the world. And this is an incredibly difficult time. I kind of wanted to give you a little bit of an update of what I've been doing and how I'm doing and what my content is going to be, because I did have a schedule planned, but as I said, I don't want to keep doing makeup videos and things like that without at least mentioning what's going on, and we all know about the pandemic. So obviously, as you can see, today's video is definitely not about makeup, and my dark circles can probably tell you that I haven't been sleeping very well. The first thing I want to mention is that on my new channel update in the beginning of the year, I did mention that I wanted to do a video or a series of videos on how I've been planning my wedding, but my wedding was to be in June, in the June 20. We still haven't postponed it, but depending on how the situation evolves, we might have to. And as you can probably guess, talking about wedding planning is definitely not what I want to be doing right now. So I'm not very sure if or when I will make that series. Probably after the wedding, eventually, because as long as we are healthy, we will eventually get married. But if this serves to teach us something, is that some things are not important. What matters is that we're okay. But I don't actually want this video to be too depressing, so I am still going to make videos, and I will actually try to make a bit more than one video a week, because I figure there's a lot of people at home that need something to distract them. So I do have planned a few videos with ideas of things to do in quarantine. I am probably going to film some of those in the next days, and I am still going to do some makeup videos because I feel like, as I mentioned, people need something to distract them, and if I can be of some help, that's what I'm going to do. I'm also going to have a little bit more free time, although, as some of you might know, I work at the hospital, and even though I'm not in the front line of combating this virus, I do still have some work, not as much as usual, but I do still have to go to work. So overall, that's what I wanted to say. I hope you are doing well. I hope you're staying home and staying safe. Protect yourself and protect others. So yeah, I hope everything will be over as soon as possible and as well as we can get it. But if you want to see those upcoming videos with ideas of what things to do, or some just makeup videos to keep you distracted, subscribe to my channel if you are new here. And that is everything for today. I will see you soon, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.